Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to Belvedere, the iconic Beverly Hills mansion, now transformed into four exquisite two-bedroom apartments. Enjoy luxury living with an 8,000 square feet space, featuring a swimming pool and breathtaking city views. This stunning 5.5-acre property in St. Andrew offers endless development possibilities in a picturesque setting. Embrace the potential of this remarkable location to create a truly upscale development in one of Jamaica's most sought after areas. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 6 million or Jamaican $923.4 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.